What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadija. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we have a special package from Celie here. Today we're featuring their 16-inch 5x5 glueless deep wave wig, and this is their packaging. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I received in my package. So I received a lot of goodies in our package: tail comb, eyelashes, headbands. We received a whole lot of goodies. This is it. Okay guys, so this is a wig for today. It is a 16-inch 5x5 deep wave wig. It is a glueless unit. It came pre-plucked with the strap on. I will attach a video down below so you guys can see what the wig looked like before I bleached the knots. This is it after I bleached the knots. This is it. Today I'll be doing a glueless install with this unit. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Celie here, their website is in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is a wig for today. It is a 16-inch 5x5 deep wave wig. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. So as I said, I will be doing a glueless install, and I won't be wearing any wig cap for this install. They sent us a wig grip strap, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on and then we install our wig. Okay y'all, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Again, the wig came with the strap on already. It came pre-plucked. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Okay guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. This is it. Again, this is a 16-inch 5x5 unit from Celie here, and I really love how it fits already, especially because I'm doing a glueless install. It fits my head perfect. This is it. It is dry, but the curls are still bouncy, super bouncy actually, and the hair is full. This is it. It's already pre-plucked. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. I'm just using my hot comb to make this flat. I want it to look like it's coming right out of my scalp. So I'm just making this super flat before I cut the excess lace off, because then it will give more of a natural look. I just want it to be super natural, especially because it's a glueless wig. So I didn't put any foundation on my lace because over time, like doing glueless wigs, I realized that when I add the mousse on the lace to lay it, it gives a hard like edge, and I want it to look super natural. So I didn't put any foundation on it now, but I will apply foundation after. But I didn't put any foundation on the lace. It makes it look harsh, and I want it to look super soft and super laid and very, very natural. So yeah, we didn't put any foundation on it this time. So the next step in this process of doing a glueless install, for me, I really like to part out the hair to cover like the track, because it is a 5x5 unit. So I like to part out the hair and cover the track and just make it super flat. So you can see the difference already. It makes it look super natural, and I really do love to do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So I just finished cutting the excess lace off, and this is it. It is completely glueless. I'm just gonna go ahead and make some very natural baby hair and tie this down, and that will be it. But again, this wig is from Celie here, and I love it. This is a glueless unit. It is 16 inches long, and this is their 5x5 deep wave wig. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig, but the link is in my description. Go ahead and make your purchase. This is what a wig is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. All right, guys, so I just took the strap off, and this is it. It is completely glueless. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation in my part, and that will be it. But this is it. It is super silky, super soft. This is our wig for today. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. It is super bouncy, super fluffy. I love the quality of this hair. It is super silky. This is it. It is a 16-inch 5x5 glueless deep wave wig, and this is the vibes. This is it. It is completely glueless. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Again, this wig is from Celie here. This is their 16-inch 5x5 glueless deep wave wig. This is it. This is it. It is completely glueless. This is it. Once again, this wig is from Celie here, and this is their 16-inch 5x5 glueless deep wave wig. This is it. It is super soft, super silky, super fluffy. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Celie here, their website is in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig. This is the finished look. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.